Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Sublime Text and how to run HTML in Sublime Text. So without further ado, let's just start. So first, we have to install or download Sublime Text in our Windows. For that, we need to go for our Google Chrome and come over here and search for Sublime Text. Here you can see. By this, here you will get the first link, click on it, and then here you will get the option download for Windows. So click on download for Windows, and here you can see the download has been started over here. So it will take 30 or 40 seconds. For right now, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see the download has been completed. Now we will install it. For that, we need to click on two times of it, minimize it, and here you can see the Sublime Text setup. Click on yes, then next, click next, install, and you can see the Sublime Text is installing in our Windows. And now what we will do, so first now we will run our HTML code in Sublime Text to show you that how to run our HTML code in Sublime Text. For that, just go for your this PC and go for I will go for documents, and then write a folder or create a new folder and write html underscore practice. Click enter and click on it. Then create another folder called text format. For that, just click on your right mouse button and come over new section and come over this text document section. Click on it and then name it as hello world and clear the text and write here HTML and click enter. And now they are saying that if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Don't worry, just click on yes. And then here we can see we create an index file over here. Now what do we have to do? We have to go for Sublime Text. For that, come over the search option and search for Sublime Text. Here you can see. Just click on it, and then here we are in Sublime Text. So now we are in Sublime Text, and now we will go to File and open File, and we will select this file over here that we create. So click on it, and then here is our HTML code. Here you can see. So here is title. So we will create a title over here called Hello World, and then we will make a body paragraph text. For that, click on P, close it, close it, and we will click another this, and here you can see we open up P tag and then close up P tag, and in the middle side we will write hi, hi, how are you, and question mark. And after writing this, we will save it and then click on your right mouse button and go for browser. And here you can see it's in hello world and they're saying hi, how are you? We make a index file over here, HTML. So here you can see if we give it in smaller alphabet, then click on file, then save and go for browser. Here you can see now it's in smaller cap, smaller word, smaller alphabet H. So whatever change you make over here, just click on save and then go for open in browser, and here you can see your HTML file over here, index file over here. So this is how you can create or run a HTML file in Sublime Text. So I think it's easy for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.